Hey, to input SIM card into the Realme 12 5G, first of all, we have to prepare the SIM tool, and the SIM slot is located right here at the top. It's just right here. So you have to input this SIM tool right here, and now you have to put it inside and press. And now you will find that this SIM slot is actually open. So we can grab it with our fingernails and gently remove. There we go. Now let's put it back and let's put here the SIM card. So I'm gonna actually remove it from my phone. There we go. And now we can input this card in one of the following slots. So we've got here the first slot and here we got the second. If you want to put it for the first slot, you have to put it like this. And if you want to put it to the second, you have to put it like this. There we go. So we can use two SIM cards at the same time on this device. So this is the Realme 12 5G. And now, if you want to keep it on this first slot, you have to put it this SIM slot in this position. So now we have to gently press on it. Press with your finger. Okay, it actually doesn't go as well, so I'm gonna take it off and try to input one more time. Now it goes definitely better. So now when it is inside, you will find this information that you can input PIN code into your card if you have one. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.